Barajas. I'm a healthy chef with shapeupfridge.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a salad with hearts of palm and beets. Okay, these are the ingredients for our salad of hearts of palm and beets. We have some of our roasted cut up beets, some celery, some tomatoes, hearts of palm, and some arugula. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you how to assemble the salad of hearts of palm and beets. I have a little fresh arugula. It's about 2 cups or so. I have my chopped up beets that have been roasted and peeled. And we have some hearts of palm that I've chopped up. And I have a little celery chopped up. You can add whatever you like, apples or carrots. And we have a vinaigrette. Add a couple tablespoons of your vinaigrette. And you can also add onion or any sort of cheese you like. And I'm just going to toss this. Okay, so we have our arugula and with the beets, our hearts of palm and beet salad. And I like to add a few tomatoes if you'd like. You can also add orange segments or grapefruit. This has been Joanna Barajas with shapeupfridge.com, and this is your salad with hearts of palm and beets.